Look at that. Look at how beautiful this candlestick is forming, and look at how much we are going to make with this strategy in just a few minutes.
Hey, my name is Ken Omolo, and on today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to make $1,000 every 10 minutes with Forex. Now this strategy is a 99% winning rate, and so it's perfect for everyone, including beginners who want to make money in Forex without taking too much risk.
Again, my name is Ken Omolo, and the name of this channel is June Online. If you are watching us for the first time, feel free to hit that subscription button. Also, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when we do more videos about trading and how to make money with Forex, you will get notified. So I know that if you're watching this video for the first time, then you're probably asking yourself, what is this video all about, and how the hell can someone make $1,000 in 10 minutes or in even less minutes? Okay, so there are very many different strategies that you can use to achieve these. And again, if you've never traded Forex or fixed time trades before, this is fixed time trading, and this is the Olymp Trade trading platform. So if you don't have an account in Olymp Trade, I'll leave a link on the description of this video. Go ahead and smash that link to create your trading account. You will get 10,000 demo units, which you can use to practice how to trade and to learn how to make money trading. So the first strategy that I want us to talk about is the SMA trading strategy. It's very simple. It's something that even beginners can use to make money with Olymp Trade. So what I'll need you to do is to go to the indicators tab, click on it. If you already have an account, click on that, click on SMA to add the SMA indicator onto your chart. So now if you look at this SMA indicator that we've added to the chart, it's very close to the price, hence it will give us a lot of signals that we can trade on, yet these signals might not be as accurate as we want them. Okay, but remember, we want to make money trading with this strategy, so we are not going to take any chances on anything. Okay, so the SMA has already been applied, but the period on SMA is set to a standard period 10. So we'll change that to period 21 to make sure that as much as we are getting signals from this tool, we get some of the best signals. Okay, so now after you set the SMA to period 21, you'll notice that it's now getting further away from the price. And if you look at it at the moment, you'll notice that it's facing downwards. When the SMA indicator is facing downwards, then what you need to know, either as a beginner or as an advanced trader, is that this depicts falling prices. So if you look at it, you'll already notice that prices are falling on this chart. If you look at it here, it continued to fall, and here it's still falling. So look at that, and you can already tell that we are on a downtrend. So if you want to trade on that, you can use that signal to trade downwards. However, I like to spice up my charts and to get as much information as possible before I place a trade. So what will I do next? I'll go back to the trading indicators tab. Okay, so we go back to the trading indicators tab and mark support and resistance levels on that falling trend. So I'll take a trend line from those drawing tools and draw, making sure that I touch all the tops, okay, or at least two tops to create my resistance line. So this is a level that, as much as prices are falling, this is a level that prices have not been able to go past in all that time. So you look at this line was tested once, you look at it again, here it was tested again, and prices did not go past that. They continued going downwards. So look at it from here, you'll notice that it went down, consolidation, it went down. So what do we expect at the moment? We expect consolidation, but we don't want to take chances, we don't want to trade blindly. So we'll draw another line parallel to this and call it our support line. That we do by going back here on the indicators tab and scrolling down to indicators and picking a trend line. Okay, so our trend line will begin here. Again, we want to make sure that we touch as many as many bottoms as possible. Okay, we make sure we touch as many bottoms as possible. Let's adjust it a little bit. So after you've done that, you'll notice that we have now a support and resistance level. We have now support and resistance level set on our chart. Then this is our support level, this is our resistance level. So if you want to buy, we will be buying on these levels, and if you want to sell, we will be selling on these levels. So if you look at this chart at the moment, prices are moving towards our support level. And again, as we had already seen, there is a sharp move here, then there is consolidation, there is a sharp move here. So what do we expect next? We expect consolidation. So as soon as prices reach this level, we will wait for them to see if indeed it is going to continue going down, or if indeed it is going to continue with this setup here of sharp move downwards and consolidation and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's wait for it. Again, the game in forex, the most important thing in forex or in fixed time trading is patience. Okay, we don't want to buy here when prices are still moving downwards, and again before the formation of this candlestick has ended, because we don't know how it's going to turn out. Okay, so let's wait for that. Let's give it one more chance and wait for it to see if it will get to this level. Then we can go back up. In the meantime, if you are trading with Olymp Trade, go ahead and make sure that you set your trading amount. Normally I trade with $50 onwards. My current account balance is at $5,236, so let's give it $36 for this first trade. Okay, 36.65 for this first trade, and the trade duration we will do 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so now let's see what's going to happen next. We've already waited for prices, and we've seen they've gone to the bottom and tested our support level, and now they are back into our channel. So we expect that prices will continue to move upwards. Okay, we expect that prices will continue to move upwards, and as we all know, prices don't move in a straight line. They will keep consolidating as we continue to go upwards. However, if you look at this formation that we've already seen here, this is a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, which means that prices might continue to go deep down from this point. Again, if you look at the SMA is still showing us that prices will continue to move down. So I'll go ahead and add another trade of $200 and another one for $200. So now I have 3 trades that are currently running on this asset. Okay, so I have 3 trades, and I've placed my trades based on 2 things. One, this candlestick, this bearish engulfing candlestick pattern that has just formed here, and the direction that the SMA is facing this particular time. So let's wait for it and see what happens in the next 4 minutes. So we are now 3 minutes down, and as you can see on the chart, and as you can see on the trade results that are still active on this chart, all our trades are already in the money. Look at it here. Look at that push that we've just seen on that candlestick. However, don't get excited too fast. We still have around 2 minutes left before the close of that candlestick. So let's wait for it and see what happens next. Again, if you remember, we placed this trade based on 2 things. One of the signals that we received was a price action signal, and this is a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern that formed here. The second one was that the SMA line was facing downwards, so we played it safe. Okay, the opposite of trading downwards on Olymp Trade is trading upwards. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you're wondering, so again, what do I do if the same conditions apply somewhere here? I've already noticed that prices are at the resistance level. They have tried to hit that level once, didn't break out, and I want to trade. What do I do? It's very simple. You look at candlestick chart patterns that are forming on the chart at that particular moment and make your decision based on that. Example, on this level, you look for bullish engulfing candlestick patterns. For example, if you see one and there is a breakout going upwards, then you trade up on that. The opposite of that would be to look for candlestick patterns like this. Again, this was a fake out, and if you look at these three candlesticks, they form what we all know as, which again signify that prices may continue to do what? To move back up. So this, again, I know there are a lot of people who traded on this and lost so much money on this, thinking that prices would continue to go up again. If you traded immediately after the formation of this candlestick, then you would have made money on the next one. And that is assuming that you traded on the 5 minutes duration. If you traded on the 10 minutes duration, then you lost on this, considering that the close of this candlestick is way below the close of this one. Okay, look at that. Look at how beautiful this candlestick is forming, and look at how much we are going to make with this strategy in just a few minutes. So our balance has just increased by some dollars. I traded with $600. Let's see what that gives us in the end. Again, you want to look at the rate of return. Again, if you look at this asset at the moment, the rate of return is at 32%, which is way low. So you may want to look at that before you trade. So this may continue going downwards again, because we've already seen there's a breakout here. This is a breakout. You've seen it. There was a first breakout. There was a first breakout here. We saw prices going down. They went back, tested, and went back into the channel, broke out again, and now we are expecting that prices will continue rallying downwards. So if you want to make money with that strategy at this moment, and you're watching this video at this moment, and you are on the Euro Canadian pair, then this might be your chance. Continue trading downwards on that and continue making money with that. So that is a very simple strategy. I've used it to make so much money over time. Look at these videos here. These videos here are for results that we did last week on my Telegram channel. If you are part of that Telegram channel, then you saw that I made 11 trades using the same method and won 10 out of those 11 trades. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click on that subscription button. Also, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I do more videos about Olymp Trade, you will get notified. So that is how you can make $1,000 after every 10 minutes trading with this strategy. If you liked this video, go ahead and click on that like button. So until next time, bye bye. My name is Ken Omolo, your FTT trading master.